Hello, everyone. This is Robert Wydell Robinson, your real estate broker and associate broker. I'm just reaching out to those that are in the industry, wondering what do we do, how do we do it. Many people are asking for feedback. The governor of New York, Andrew Cuomo, has issued the executive order where we cannot go out and do any open houses or showing any properties. Actually, it goes down as I asked the legal department of Haggard, that's the Hudson Gateway Association of Realtors, and also now that they have merged with the Long Island MLS. So we're going from Long Island all the way up to Dutchess County, and some people have listings throughout. But the main thing is where you're not able to show a listing. And I even asked the president of the MLS, the president elect, the treasurer, and the legal team, and they came back that vacant properties we were not able to show. Then they came back 24 hours later and they said that we can show the properties, however, not with the client. We must be alone as the realtor or agent or broker. You must put on your booties, wear a mask, and have gloves. Go in, open up the windows, but do not touch anything. Take pictures and send these pictures to the client. So this must be conducted over the internet or by phone. And if you have a 3D camera, that may help people to get a depth of what the square footage in the room size really looks like. If you don't have that equipment, then you're going to have to just use your camera or your phone and hope that that suffice. Offers that are being presented sight unseen, obviously with the contingency of when we can go and take a look at it. And there have been some offers accepted like that, and that is one way of what I am saying to some people, because as soon as this breaks, we know single family homes are going to be the homes that will be selling first and selling fast, and then it's going to turn over to become a buyer's market. Right now it's a seller's market, but with this COVID-19, it's going to flip-flop and become those interested in buying single family homes. Some may go with two or three families, but we do know single family homes will be selling quickly. So that means inventory is going to be short, and buyers are going to be making certain demands. And if a seller wants to sell, then what price you were getting last month, you may not get that. And don't think because buyers are buying that they're going to go into a buyer's frenzy. No, it's going to be quite the opposite. So I do recommend you know your industry, know what your absorption rates are going to be, so you can tell your sellers, as well as I would tell my sellers, listen, there's a certain time it's going to stay on the market, and then the price is going to rapidly drop. And then you're going to feel that I should have taken, which I've already had people, I should have taken. One guy lost his deal over $30,000. He was really already making over 70, but he wanted to be greedy. Now he's saying, I can't even sell it. And it's a condo that he has in the Bronx. So don't be greedy. Make a good deal, make some money, and then you have to just walk away. But if you keep it personal and you want to hold a posture and stick to your guns, you can very well so lose more than what you will gain. This is Robert Wydell Robinson, your real estate broker, associate broker, state of New York. Give me a call, 914-204-2127. 914-204-2127. You and your family stay blessed, stay healthy, stay wise, and God bless you and prosper.